Calaquachero, look, it's already 1 week coming foggy today. Kaya maagap kaming umalis at mag-hotel kami. Come and join us. We're here in Doorwaard Hotel here by Veluwe in the Netherlands kasi may pupuntahan kami sa North. So kaya nag-hotel kami at last minute booking. Look, ang laki, ang ganda. Nakashoot kami today. At napakamura pa niya talaga, grabe. Sobrang mura, tas ang ganda at ang laki. May living room. Look, at may swimming pool pa sa hotel na to. Ay nako. Kami muna ay nag-rest dapat because we came early para yung pupuntahan namin bukas malapit na lang dito kasi masyadong foggy sa labas. But look, ang ganda ng swimming pool nila ha. Nandito kami, first time namin dito sa Doorwaard Hotel here in Doorwaard, not Doorwaard Hotel, it is a Fletcher Hotel actually in Doorwaard. Maganda pala, uulit-uli kami. O diba kasi maganda. Halika, swimming tayo. Palibasa malamig ang swimming pool actually. Kaya ayan, dalawa lang kami dito ni Banshot and diba? Ayan, maganda talaga dito. Look, meron din silang fitness. Fitness nila kompleto din. Diba? Small but kompleto ng gamit ha. So it's really nice here in Doorwaard Hotel. At especially, salamat at may baon ako. Kasi after swimming, kain muna ako. And in the morning, my love has a breakfast here. Look, malaki rin ang kanilang restaurant and they have a beautiful breakfast. Diba? My love nag-breakfast alone at nag-video siya.
Look. It's nice. Nice big breakfast we have here. It's croissants. Bread. I got this bread. It's nice brown bread. I love brown bread. Biscuits, coffee, sweet bread, sugar bread, pancakes, fruit yogurt. I'll have that later. I'll have this later too. Nice milk, fruit juice, And of course, the most important thing is egg and the bacon. This is really nice place.
But dinala niya ako ng breakfast o ng konting bread. So, thank you so much, my love. Thank you. Ayan, thank you sa breakfast po. Maraming salamat. Ayan, kape na lang. O, dito, tinan mo, merong bibi. May bibi sa room namin. Pinakain ko ng orange. Yeah, diba? So funny. Cute ng bibi na to. Ayan, kain ka ng orange, bibi, we share. Ayan, check out na today. Just last night. The next day, check out na kami. Look, purple pa ang upuan nila. Maganda rin ang kanilang lobby. It's so huge, the lobby here. Yeah, so we will check out na at pupuntahan na namin ang aming dapat puntahan at ang aming dapat trabahuin. But for sure, we will be back here. It's really beautiful to relax. At saka may bike sila na you can hire the bike at makaka-go around the forest ka. Ayan, this is the outside of that Fletcher Hotel. Maganda, diba? Look at nasa gitna ng forest, but it's just near in the highway. Kaya maganda, hindi yung malayo yung driving mo. Just exit the highway and you will be here at Dorwelt Hotel. Fletcher Hotel in Dorwelt. Thank you guys. At ayan, still foggy pa rin ang daan. Ano ba yan? Foggy pa rin. Thank you.